Okay, sa inyo lahat, may bago ako sasabihin, announcement sa inyo lahat. Every year, every month pala, August at July, ngayon po ay July 21. So, every Thursday, yan ang mangyayari. GTA only Thursdays. Wala akong i-upload iba kundi GTA lang. Ano yan? Second to the last of each month. Second to the last Thursday of each month. Maliban lang sa December, pwede siya maging 31 tsaka 24. Oh, it's either January and December lang ang pwedeng pukpukin natin Thursday. Yan sa 2027 na yan wala pa naman tayo sa bagong taon. O, sina. Ito na yun
Tony introduces me to the Don. Salvatore, who tells me...
Oh, yan every Thursday. Hindi naman hindi lahat ng Thursday, basta either 4th or 5th. Pero kasi may mga months na yung 4th, may parang hindi lahat talaga may 4th, may 4th Thursday. No matter the month, diba? Itong October, 5. 4 to 5 lang kasi.
After a short while, the police town, where a large firefight ensues between hunters and police, causes Maria to come running out of the apartment into the car. Even the police
Sige na.
cover underneath the car. Speeding back to Salvatore's, I dropped the